Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to delete transaction history in TapTap Send on an iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the TapTap Send app on phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, tap on three dot at the top left corner of your screen. Then tap on Settings. After that, tap on Transactions. Here you can see all the money you have sent, including dates and amount. Right now, TapTap Send does not allow you to delete or erase transaction history from the app. This is because money transfer apps are required to keep records for security and legal reasons. So you will not see any delete or remove button for transactions. Even though you can't delete transactions, here are two things you can do. You can log out of the app after using it, or you can protect your iPhone with Face ID or a passcode, or you can hide the app in a folder on your iPhone for privacy. This helps keep your information safe from others. And that's it. You cannot delete transaction history on TapTap Send using an iPhone, but your information is secure, private, and protected. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.